All right, we have come up with a project list for several projects to try to get done this trip. One of them is going to be to move all the wash station over here from the little workhouse to over here to make sure we get the drainage as far away as possible. So we're going to plan on, at the moment, putting a little 6x8 concrete slab over here. That way it's close to the well. They actually made a little ingenious bucket system over here. They just plumb some pipe, they fill the bucket up, and it runs all the way across the yard to do laundry over there. So we're just gonna move that to over here. PVC posts, 8 of those, just put them in the concrete slab. You just cut them, pre-cut them to fit the roofing boards, and then it just needs some wood for the roof and some sheet roof metal. Alright, this is going to be the big project. This is going to be the gravity water system. We're going to get that tank up onto the top, and it's going to come down the side here. We're going to run out, what's that, to be 75 foot out to the walkway, and then it's going to be another 75 feet to encompass both of the cabins. So offshoot from those is going to be about 22 feet to the first one, the T connector on that, and then the second one is going to be about a 32 foot run from there, and see if we can port it over to some sort of PEX or PVC, whatever they have down here. So that'll be run over to there for the gravity fed water. From there, and figure about just ground length, about 254 feet in flexible pipe just to get that started. Alright, last plumbing project, we're going to do the gray water there. So the sink is on the right hand side. You have about a 6-foot run to that right corner there, and then along the wall here we're going to bring it down off of this post, which is where the shower drain comes from, right up there. A little hard to see, but that's where the shower will drain out of, up there. And then we'll run it down here. We'll dig this out in between the little L-shaped place in the columns and this coconut, and we'll do the gray water barrel system there, and then it will be duplicated for the cabin over here. So all the measurements multiplied by 2. Like I said, the sink is over there. We'll run it over. Shower is right there. Down the line, dig here in the little L column area and do the barrels. So that's going to put us around 50 feet of PVC pipe, 4, 8, probably about 20 little bits of plumbing, 90 degrees and 40 degrees and T's and whatever, and a couple 100 pounds of rock and the glue, things along that line. I already got the plastic sheet just to cover it, and then we'll just backfill landscape with the call them swamp lilies. They have a nice little white bloom on them. Let's see if I can show one of those. Since it's so close to the water, not a whole lot of stuff will grow correctly, but these are the little swamp lilies that we'll put over top. Might be a little hard to tell by the angle here, but that thing is probably past 80 degree over, close to 80 degree. Probably be a tension held up by the power line itself. So not sure how much longer that thing's gonna stay upright. And this is as far as we have cleared and planted. It still goes a little bit further, but as you can see, it is very difficult to get through. And as you get closer down there, the water starts coming up and you get these weird fan leaf palm things, which are very difficult to chop through. This is the end of what we have cleared and cut and planted so far. And then you have to walk way back up north to get to where the south farms meet the north farm.